All right, I'm going to show you how to use my newest launch. This is my Neroli All Organic Cleansing Oil. All right, headband in place. I'm going to grab the Neroli Cleansing Oil and I'm going to put a few pumps, maybe 4 pumps here. Use this as a palette. And then apply it directly to my skin. Now it's going to dissolve makeup, sunscreen, and it really doesn't irritate the eyes, so it's pretty gentle. What I love about it is the feel of it. It's really lightweight, and you can smell the soft aroma of the neroli. So I'm just massaging it in, and now I'm going to dip my fingers in water, and I'm going to do a second cleanse and emulsify. And you can see how it gets milky. The formula gets lighter and emulsifies while lifting everything from your skin, but yet not stripping it from its natural oils. Voila! Clean skin feels great.